Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class, I will start with the differential equations. Differential equation definition ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ differential equation ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಎನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ನಾಟ್ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, like that. These are called equations. But what is the differential equation? In this equation we have a dependent variable, independent variable and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in the equation it contains x, y. x ಮತ್ತು y ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. And derivative, that is dy upon dx. It contains a independent variable and dependent variable. See, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? y is equal to x, y is equal to sin x plus x square, y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 2, like that you wrote. And this y is depending on x. Whatever the value you are selecting x, that gives you y value. That means x is called independent. x ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. x is selected by you, but y is depending on x. So x is called a independent variable, y is called a dependent variable. And see, it is a derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. That means in the equation if it contains x, y and derivatives, or you can say that dependent variable, independent variable and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So in the annual paper they can ask the definition for 1 mark. Usually from differential equation no 1 mark question, then also you can remember. You have to remember that definition. Write down the definition. An equation involving derivative or derivatives, more than one also you they present, derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable or more than one variables. You can write variables. Variables is called a differential equation. So here I am giving you the examples. 2 into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx whole cube is equal to 0. Y plus dy upon dx is equal to 0. See, these are the examples for a differential equations. Then I am giving you the order and degree. So one simple way na helbekandre order. So ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ how many times you differentiated? First time first derivative, second time second derivative. See that, remember that differentiation. For double time derivatives you are calling it as a second order derivative. If you differentiate twice, second order derivative. If you differentiate thrice, third order derivative, like that. How many times? Maximum derivatives is called a order, and whatever is the maximum derivative present in that equation, power of that is called degree. See here, in this equation d square y upon dx square, this is the second order. This is dy upon dx whole cube, but see that bracket, it is the first derivative. That means its order is 2. Order to highest derivative present in it. Highest derivative present in it is called order. It is a second order. And is any number is present on the top? No. There is no number means we have to write it as a 1. So degree is 1. I am giving you one more examples here. D square y upon dx square whole raised to 3 plus dy upon dx raised to 4 plus x is equal to 0. Maximum derivative is what? Maximum derivative is d square y upon dx square. Even though this power is more, but you have to check the maximum derivative. So, maximum derivative is d square y upon dx square. It is a second order and its power is 3. Its degree is 3. Order to degree 3. Understood? Now, I am giving you the definition and examples also. And you will get a 2-mark question. 2-mark question for writing order and degree from this chapter. In annual paper, 2 marks question for writing order and degree. And one more thing you have to note down, order and degree should be always positive integers. Always positive integers. You cannot say that -2 order. We cannot differentiate negative 2 times, correct? So, order and degree are positive integers. And no fractions. Write down the order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Write down. Order of a differential equation. A differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. In the given differential equation. Yes. Now I am giving you the example. D square y upon dx square plus y is equal to 0. For this problem order is 2, second order derivative. Next, d cube y upon dx cube plus x square into d square y upon dx square whole square is equal to 0. Maximum time differentiation is 3. So, order is 3. Next, we are writing a degree of a differential equation. Already I explained the concept. Degree of the differential equation. Write down. The degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest ordered derivative occurring in it. See, in this example only I will explain. Maximum time differentiation is twice, its power is 1. So, its degree is what? 1. Here maximum time differentiation is thrice, its again degree is 1. Degree is 1. Understood? Like this we have to write. Write on one and note. Now, after this I am moving to the examples. And when you are writing the degree, dy upon dx should be, remember, dy upon dx should be independent. No value is depending on dy upon dx. I will explain in the example. Note, order and degree if defined of a differential equation are always positive integer. Always positive integers. Now I will move to the examples. So always already I told about that order and degree. They should be always positive numbers. So read on the examples. Find the order and degree. Find the order and degree if defined. Sometimes they are not defined, as I told you. If defined of each of the following. Say I am giving you the worked example and exercise from NCERT, exercise 9.1 of the following differential equations. First problem, dy upon dx minus cos x is equal to 0. I will write both. Order is 1, degree is also 1, and don't think it is a minus 1, just I put a dash. Second one, xy into d square y upon dx square plus x into dy upon dx whole square minus y into dy upon dx is equal to 0. Maximum time differentiation is twice and their power is 1. Order 2, degree 1. Moving to the next example. Third one, y triple dash plus y square plus e raised to y dash. You know that y dash is nothing but dy upon dx. That means e power is dy upon dx. Here dy upon dx is not independent. That's why only order we can write. Y triple dash means third time differentiated. Order is 3, degree not defined. Degree not defined because dy upon dx is not independent. Remember that. The simple way of understanding the concept. Next, I am giving you the exercise 9.1 from NCERT. In that first question, d raised to 4 y upon dx raised to 4 plus sin of y triple dash is equal to 0. Here, order is what? Order 4, degree not defined. Why? Because sin is depending on third order derivative. It is not independent. Then second one, y dash plus y, 5y is equal to 0. Yes. Y dash means dy upon dx. Order 1, degree 1. Third one, ds upon dt raised to 4 plus 3s d square s upon dt square is equal to 0. Maximum time differentiated is twice. So, order is 2. Degree 1. Its power. Highest derivative power you have to write. Next, fourth one. D square y upon dx square whole square plus cos dy upon dx is equal to 0. Here what is the order? Order is 2. S degree is not defined. Why? Because cos is depending on dy upon dx. Fifth one, d square y upon dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. See, what is the order? Order 2, degree 1. Its power is 1. Moving to the next question, that is question number 6. Y triple dash whole square plus y double dash whole cube plus y dash raised to 4 plus y raised to 5 is equal to 0. See, y triple dash is third order, y double dash is second order, y dash is first order. So, here order is 3 times differentiated and its power, highest derivative power you have to see, degree is 2. Seventh one. Y triple dash plus 2 into y double dash plus y dash is equal to 0. So, here order 3 times differentiated 3, degree its power is 1. Moving to the next question, question number 8. Y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x. See, e raised to x, x is not dy upon dx, it is a independent variable. Y dash tells you first derivative, it is order 1, even degree is also 1. Don't make the confusion, it is not e raised to, in the one of the example it is e raised to y dash is dy upon dx, but x is not like that, x is a independent variable. Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. Y double dash plus y dash square plus 2y is equal to 0. Yes, order is 2, degree 1, highest derivative. Next, 10th one. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y. And remember, sin y, it is not sin dy upon dx. If it is dy upon dx, we cannot write, but it is only y. Order 2, second time derivative, and its degree is 1. Next, 11th one. 11th and 12th are multiple choice questions. 11th and 12th are a multiple choice question. The degree of the 11th one, the degree of the differential equation d square y upon dx square whole cube plus dy upon dx whole square plus sin dy upon dx plus 1 is equal to 0 is first option 3, A, B is 2, C 1, D not defined. See, when you are writing a degree, you have to observe that dy upon dx should be independent. No value is depending on dy upon dx, but here sin is depending on dy upon dx. You cannot write the degree. So, degree is not defined. 12th question. The order of the differential equation order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation 2x square into dx d square y upon dx square minus 3 into dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0 is first option 2, second one 1, third one is 0, d not defined. See, to write the order, just we have to see the highest order derivative, maximum differentiated. So it is d square y upon dx square is maximum, the order is 2. So from this you will get a one question, definite question in your annual paper for 2 marks. In the next class I will explain the next concept.